What's up everyone, Vitaly here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can find out which keywords your YouTube videos are popping up for on the YouTube search engine. And this is really important because as you make more videos on YouTube, and your goal, I assume, is to grow your reach on YouTube so you can get more followers, maybe grow a business out of it, you will also, the videos that you create, that is, they'll show up for certain keywords in the YouTube search engine as people look them up. And so this is very valuable because if you know which keywords your videos pop up for, you can continue to make more of those videos targeting those same keywords so you can get more success and growth with your YouTube channel. And so let me jump right into it and show you how this works. I'm going to show it two different ways. The first method is by showing an overall report card of your YouTube channel and the keywords that YouTube channel pops up for. And the second method is looking at individual videos and the keywords those videos pop up for. Both are very valuable. The second option might be more specific for you to work with, but you'll have both options by the end of this video. So let's start off with the first option. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to your back-end channel, the YouTube Studio area, which is where I'm at right now, where it says Channel Dashboard. And on the left-hand side, you're going to want to click on where it says Analytics. After you click on that, you're going to see these four menus at the top. Click on Content, and as you click on Content, scroll all the way to the bottom, and where it says How Viewers Find Your Videos, you're going to see this button that says Show More or See More. Click on that. This is going to open up a chart, and you're going to see these different options pop up. What you're looking for here is where it says YouTube search. If it's not at the top, it may be somewhere on the list. Click on that, and this is where you see which keywords your YouTube channel is popping up for as a whole. It's basically like a report card. So for me personally, it's actually organized from top to bottom, and the number one thing that I'm showing up for currently in the last 28 days is pin clicks. You can also sort this here by different dates as well. So if you want to look at more of a short-term trend, long-term, this is where you do that, and this may change depending on the date that you select. Now, one thing I want you to know is that where it says impressions, you'll notice it says 17,000 here, which means that in the last the 28 days, I have my keywords that the YouTube videos pop up for have appeared over 17,000 times, but there's zeros that are popping up over here, and this is actually an error on YouTube's end. These numbers should actually be anything but zero basically, but they're not, and this is some kind of bug that's going on. So if you see these numbers as well on your end, just disregard them. There's nothing serious about that. What you can look at over here is the number of views, and like I said, it is organized from top to bottom. So you know, the one that says pin clicks over here, this is a keyword people looked up in YouTube search, and I got 69 views from that because I actually do have a video that talks about pin clicks. It's a program that I reviewed, and then it goes further down over and over and over again. So when you look at this data, you can start to draw conclusions as to what more content you can create. So if I see that pin clicks, for example, is the number one thing that I'm getting most of the views for, I can start to make more videos talking about pin clicks, maybe doing like some kind of 30-day report, 60-day report, whatever is contextually relevant to the subject matter. Basically, this just gives me more content ideas at the end of the day to work with. And so this is an overall report card, just kind of giving you an overall summary of which keywords you pop up for, and you can just keep going and going and going with this again and again. So that is the first option. Now the second option is going back to the main dashboard. Basically, you can also see which keywords your individual YouTube videos pop up for, and this might be something that is more, I would say, relevant for most audiences, because sometimes you're going to want to look at certain videos and which keywords they pop up for to determine if it's worth making more videos on that subject matter. Now the way that works is a little bit different, and here's how that looks. You're going to want to go to where it says Content. Now in the area where it says Content, you're going to want to select one video that's already been up for at least a few weeks, maybe well over a month. It's had time to marinate in the YouTube search engine, because the older it is, the more time YouTube has had to analyze it, to, you know, get views, to start ranking it for certain keywords. So the older the video is, the more odds that you will get more data in this part. That's what I'm basically trying to get across. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on where it says the Pinterest SEO tutorial for beginners, because out of this list, it is the one that's showing up the most. And what you're going to want to click on in this area is where it says Analytics. And in the Analytics area, you're going to want to click on where it says Reach. And after you click on that, you're going to want to scroll down to the bottom to where it says YouTube search terms on the bottom right. Click on see more, and this is going to show me all the keywords that my video in this case is popping up for. So Pinterest SEO is the number one. Learning SEO is one of them. Pinterest affiliate marketing is one of them. Honestly, just seeing this, it's obviously going to show less keywords than the previous method I showed you, because this is just one video versus the entire channel that I was showing you in the first method. But just based on this data, I can see that making more videos on Pinterest SEO might be a viable thing for me to do in the future. So that's basically how you do that with individual videos to see which keywords you pop up on YouTube for. So that's what I'm going to be finishing up the video on. And one last thing I'm going to say that's a bit on a different subject is that if you are new to my channel, my name is Vitaly, and I cover the subject of online business, making money online, affiliate marketing, traffic generation, YouTube stuff, and all these things on this channel. I teach this to people because I do this for a living. Here's some of my stats in this business. I do have others, but overall, I teach people how to do this correctly because I've been doing it for over 15 years, and I will leave a link below this video to a beginner course that teaches you the ins and outs of how all of this works. So if you're someone that's new or struggling and you're interested in starting an online business, this free beginner course is really going to help you get your feet wet with all of this stuff. So if that's what you're interested in, click on the link below in the description. I'll also leave it in the pinned comment as well. But if you do have any questions about this subject matter, feel free to leave it in the comments below as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.